What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA, specifically getting into the wholesale niche. Today's video, we are going to be talking product bundles, why they can be so powerful for your business, and why you can actually sell so many more units going with a product bundle versus just finding the traditional single item listings. I'm going to break it down for both private label and wholesale sellers on how you can create product bundles, what product bundles are, and how they can benefit and impact your business. Make sure you stick all the way to the end because we are going to be talking about the most powerful and profitable way to do bundles here at the end of the video. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, today's video is everything product bundles. I actually recently went to an online networking event where I spoke with a couple of individuals from my home city, and they really turned me on to an amazing idea and opportunity that we could have in our very own business. And I wanted to roll that out and share that with all of you to show you how that you can do this for your very own business and how it can be super impactful. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button. That helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps out my channel immensely, and I just love helping you guys out, so let's help out the most amount of people possible. All right, so product bundles. What are product bundles? So product bundling is when you actually take multiple items and put them together. These items are two things that will pair very well together, and you sell them together on the Amazon platform. In this model, you're actually going to be finding two products that go well together, whether that be like a baseball glove and a bat, or a pad of paper and a pen, those types of things, products that customers would likely buy in a set or together. You're going to go ahead and create a new listing that outlines these things, take some photos, etc. of these items together, and then you're going to list them on Amazon, send them in, and customers will naturally find these products because they are already good selling products on their own, but they'll see them together. They'll notice that you have priced them competitively, more competitively so than if they were to purchase them separately, and then they're going to go ahead and choose your item over the rest of the items. So what are some of the benefits of doing product bundling? So as a wholesale seller, it can really differentiate you, make your product stand out over other people's. Oftentimes you will find products that are absolutely just crushing it, but Amazon is all over the listing. Well, you can go ahead and go out and make a product bundle of two products that pair well together, make a new listing, put those together. Now you're the only seller on the listing, and any sales that you attract, whether that's organically because these products already crush it and the keywords already rank super well in the algorithm, or you're doing things like running PPC and stuff like that to bring customers to the listing, you are now the only seller on this listing, and you're able to utilize and leverage other people's brand name products like we do in the wholesale model. Alternatively, if you are a private label seller and you are looking for ways to get extra exposure and take two of your own products, put them together in a product bundling, now you have another offer for your customers. You can save fees on things and offer it for less because now it's a one item product that you're sending in to be fulfilled by Amazon. So oftentimes the fulfillment fees and things like that will be a little bit less, so you can offer these products at a more competitive price to your consumers, and now you're selling two products every single time that you make one sale on Amazon. So jumping back to how this can benefit wholesale sellers, well, in the wholesale market, we are always looking for opportunities to sell brand name products. We want to be making sure that Amazon isn't on the listing. We want to be making sure that there's multiple FBA sellers on most listings, because that'll mean that there's a great opportunity and chance that we can sell this product long term. Well, if you're creating a bundle listing, you're avoiding these types of problems where Amazon is all over the listing or the brand is all over the listing and won't want you reselling, because you are creating your own listing and now you're driving your own traffic to this listing. And oftentimes, if Amazon is on the listing that's crushing it, they're not going to take the time out of of their day to bundle two products together and send those in on your listing. So that is one way that you can actually get around competing with Amazon from a wholesale perspective. Another really cool twist that we actually had a discussion about was putting your own branding or your own kind of twist on the product bundle itself. So for example, if you were to sell a product that's, say, a skincare or skin cream product, you could then include another product with your brand's logo on it that would pair really well with that. So maybe it was like a day cream, and then you are going ahead and selling like a lip balm, but instead of having a Burt's Bees or Lip Chap logo on it, you just have your own logo on it. Something super cheap and simple to go out and purchase and just get your own logo slapped on it without having to, create a new product, launch a new product, and now you're leveraging that existing brand name, slapping it together with another super easy and cheap, quick product to sell. Now you have created your own listing, you're your own seller, and you're driving traffic based on the brand's reputation and already existing keyword rank results and all of those types of things. Again, works for private label sellers. If you already have a really good product and you can think of another really simple, cheap, and easy product that would pair super well with your product, say it's your best seller and it's absolutely crushing it, looking for more ways to, suck out more sales. Well, people will be looking for products that are paired well together, and they will be likely to, if they like the one product, also just latch on to the other. You buy something for 50 cents and you can tack on an extra $3 onto the listing, and it works out to be a super good deal for the customer. They don't have to go elsewhere for this other product, and it's really easy and simple for you to do. And then it also stops things from a private label perspective from having like hijackers and stuff like that, because it's the extra effort for people to go out and do this same thing. Really, it's just all about creating barriers to entry to what you're doing and getting more sales for yourself. So we're actually going to go ahead and take a look at my screen here, and I'm just showing you some examples of product bundles and how they work on Amazon and what they look like. So if we take a look, we see the very first thing is a bundle of 12 different items. So there's rolling papers, smoker kit. So there's a carrying case, there's some papers, there's some capsules, all of that kind of stuff. So this person is sourcing all of these different things. They're putting this bundle together, and then literally all they've done, if we click on the listing, is just taken some photos of all of these things together. They've taken a nice rolled together photo of everything in this carrying case, showing how it fits nicely in the carrying case. So it's very appealing for customers to see how these things work together. And then they just have individual photos of all the things that are included in this package. So basically all they're doing is going out, purchasing products that are already pre-existing, putting a little bit of their own flair on it, and then bundling it together. And then they're able to capture all of the sales on this product because they've gone ahead and done the upfront work, but still leveraging another brand name and the velocity of that brand. All I've done is literally just Googled product bundle on Amz.com, and we're looking at some things. So we can see even Amazon's onto this, and they're doing it themselves. They have their Echo smart home system, and they are coupling that with like smart light bulbs. There are instances where Amazon does this. I mean, this is their own product, so that's why they're doing it here. But oftentimes you'll see products that they are selling of other brands. They're not going to go out and make bundle listings. As you can see, it's done in all types of product categories. There's some beauty products, there's 4 different products they put together. There's even like a Mr. Potato Head and the accessories that come with his face. That's a really cool idea because you only have to have the one Mr. Potato Head, and your kids can switch out all of the face accessories. Again, we have another like rolling paper kit. We have another beauty kit that's like a wand, a blow dryer, and then all these beauty products. And I mean, this even works with high ticket items, as we see. This is ranked 47,000 in beauty and personal. There's one FBA seller, so this one person has put this together, and they're selling it for like $300. So I don't know what their costs are on this dry bar product, but it's a super high ticket item, so I bet they're absolutely just crushing it with that. There's even like vitamin C serums with some other serums that people put together. There's hair weaves, there's projectors, there's all types of products, like even musical instruments. So you can see very quickly how people are already doing this on the platform, and in most cases there's only one seller, so it's the seller that's taken the initiative to take the products that they're just probably already selling on the platform and doing well with, putting them together in a bundle, taking the time to just create a new listing, create some new keywords, a new title, new photos. Very simple thing that you can just go ahead and do yourself in your own facility, even in your garage, whatever it may be. It's just another way that you can get exposure, boost your sales, help yourself out in your own business when maybe you're struggling to compete against the sea of other sellers on the Amazon platform. All right, guys, that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you learned something through product bundles. Again, that was something that came up in a recent networking event, and I thought it was an awesome idea. It's honestly something that considered in the past, but never seriously considered for our business. And I heard some anecdotal stories about how it's worked for other sellers, even in my local area. We're definitely looking into doing this for our business, so we're gonna be working on creating new listings. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys have done your own bundles before, or what you think of this idea to do bundles for yourself. As well, do not forget to smash the like button. Make sure that you are subscribing, you're hitting the notification bell. That will let you know every single time that I post a new video. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you have a great day. Peace.